all of you. Yesterday I taught you the subject My Greatest Olympic Prize Part 1. The entire unit was completed and some comprehension questions were discussed. I have already discussed 4 questions. Now I am discussing the rest of the questions. You write down, why did everyone expect Waynes to win the long jump easily? What was their belief? Why did they believe? Because Jesse Waynes had set the world record, established the world record of 26 feet and 81 inches. Everyone kind of expected me. Everyone kind of expected me to win that Olympic event hands down. So now the question is, why did everyone expect? Why did everyone expect Waynes to win the long jump easily? The long jump easily. So look at me and look at the blackboard. Why did everyone expect Waynes to win the long jump easily? Waynes had a brilliant record before coming to the summer of 1936 Olympic Games. Waynes had a brilliant record before coming to the summer of 1936 Olympic Games. He had established He had established the record of the record of 26 feet 81 inches. He has established the record of 26 feet 81/4 inches. So everyone expected, kind of expected him to win the Olympic event quite easily. You have to write in this way. Waynes had brilliant. तांकर माने जेतेबेले से 1936 मसीहा ओलंपिक गेम को बर्लिन के आसिले ता पूर्व तांकर भल उज्जवल माने रेकर्ड थिला जो लंग जंप उपरे आउ से मध्य गोटे निजको प्रतिष्ठित करि पारिथिले केते ना 26 फुट 8.4 इंच डेइकरी लंग जंप रे. एवरीवन काइंड ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेड हिम. सब लोक प्रायतः विश्वास करुथिले जे निश्चित भाव रे लंग जंप जेसी वेन्स वुड विन इन द मैच. So please note it down so that this will help you while preparing or revising your lessons in future. Now I am talking about the fifth question. What was the surprise that awaited Jesse Owens in Berlin? What was the surprise? What was the surprise? माने विस्मयटा कौन थिला, आश्चर्य हवाटा कौन थिला. What was the surprise that awaited Jesse Owens? That awaited Jesse Owens Jesse Owens in Berlin. Let us see where the answer is in the book. I was in for a surprise. When the time came for the long jump trials, I was startled to see a tall boy hitting the pit at almost 26 feet on the practice leaves. He turned out to be a German named Longjop. This was his biggest surprise. So Jesse Owens got surprised. Jesse Owens got surprised when he saw when he saw that a German performer named Lajlang had